Hey, how you doing there? Today we're going to be playing a game. You know how it is. The game in question being Terraria. You know, the 5th episode of the series. Episode, not episode, or whatever that is. Anyways, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and comment. You know how it is. Anyways, have a good one, and to the video! Alright. Oh, shoot. Hey, yo, people of the internet, we are in war! Ooh, come on, come here, yo, wobbos. I'm gonna kill your mommy and your daddy and your sister and your brother, yo. Oi! There's a lot of people there. Alright, bucko, shot. You're gonna get shot today. You're dying here. Look at that little... Let's try up here. These guys, they're little goblins. These... They're gonna try and steal my stuff. Die! Come on! You asses asked for it. You're gonna die and I'm gonna kill you. Come on, man. Alright. Machine Gun! Maschinengewehr! Das ist gut, mein Herr! Man, these guys don't stand a chance. Oi! Hey, you took a freaking door! That's a state-of-the-art door there you just took! You are a Schweenel! I don't have any good weapons here. Hey, saving grace! The nursery! Oh jeez, look, it's all my fans, guys. Look at these guys. Or these my detractors. They're probably liberals, actually. Come on! It's a whole army there. It's not much of an army, mate. Come on. The goblinese here. You're gonna die. Come on! You're gonna die today, you! Yes! Yes, you are dying today! Meat Factory here today! Playing the Meat Factory! We're gonna slice up Ishos meat here, and we're gonna feed them to the slaves. Blood butcher style. We're gonna keep some money. We're gonna get some cash. I'm gonna die because these guys don't understand the meaning of meat. Now take my Undertaker and kill your mum. Boom! Headshot! Oh, that's a good shot there, mate. Meat! Meat! I love steak. The Meat Factory today, lads. Goblin Army has been defeated. Playing the Meat Factory. Alright. He's dead. Good work on me. Alright. Anyways. I was doing something interesting. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Alright. Okay. So. Anyways. What I'm gonna do today. Well. I'm gonna do something today. That's what I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you now. I'm gonna do something today because that's cool. Yeah. But hey, I got this thing here. It's not too bad actually. Anyways, alright, so what I wanna do, well, I was gonna say, hey guys, so my mate Giacomo, or well, not Jack, Valiant, I think that's his name. It's not Giacomo HD, although that is another username he does go under, Giacomo. But anyways, okay, Gregomo, playing with the Vietnamese today, are we? What the just rolls off the tongue, that does. Yeah, playing with the Vietnamese today. Anyways, while I was waiting for him, I got all these things. Well, not all of them. That and that. I got some goblins. Silent claw carapace. Yeah, I got that while waiting for him. But the reason why he's not here is because he couldn't make it. Well. I'm telling the truth, by the way. Ask me in the edit. I'll tell you now. Gonna be funny. So, I think last episode we said we were gonna fight. No, not that guy. Yeah, I think so. Maybe, or it could have been freaking King Slime. Oh yeah, this slime man. Yeah, that's what we should call him, the slime man. He's not really a man, actually, hold on. He's a ninja. He's a bit of a ninja-y lad. So yeah, he's gonna be ninjaing around. So yeah, we're gonna fight this mad lad. 20 and a gold crown. Alright, how do you make a gold? Actually, I don't think we have gold, but we do have the equivalent. Silver! No, not silver. Platinum. I'm gonna do a crafting sesh. Go! Alright, we're back and we're looking pretty stylish, mate. We got a top hat and we got a mining pants. We're looking great. Oh yeah, while I was waiting for Valiant, or as I like to call him, Giacomo. Yeah, we found that, so I'll be giving that one a bit of a check. Check you out, mate. But anyways, I do want to fight King Slime, the Slime Man. The Slime Man. That's who I'm gonna fight. But we're gonna be low key about this one. Right? We're not gonna make it too much of a difference. Alright, you understand? Now we're gonna need to find a like a thing here, like a demon altar, a crimson altar. All right. Well, we're gonna head over to the crimson. We'll cut to when we're there. All right, we're here, and we got a goodie bag, mate. Ooh. Pumpkin. We are pumpkin now. Alright, let's go down here. We've been hit through here. Look at me, looking like a pumpkin. Fresh out of Halloween. We got the holes. See, we got the hole 1, the hole 2. We got the holes, mate. Holy demokely. Alright, anyway. We got the slime crown. We're golden. We're gonna fight that Yeedle. We're gonna fight the Yeedle. Yeah, we'll call... yeah, for Yeedle. Yeedles. Well, we're gonna kill him, alright? We're gonna have to make you shut up because I'm a little wobbo. The wobbo here, you're gonna die. I'm gonna kill your mum and your dad. Actually, I'm your dad because you keep following me around. I don't even know who your father is. Your father is gone, alright? You don't know where he is, so you just follow me instead. This is the way to go. Wolf from Droid, mate, you need to get a life. Go out there with all your Wolfram pals and come back and tell me how it was. I don't know what happening. But anyways, we're gonna go to bed and we're gonna sleep. Alright, tomorrow morning is upon us. Today, we're gonna kill you. We're gonna kill that man, the slime man. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna say it. That's how I'm gonna do it now. We're gonna call him the slime man, the slimiest man in the world. He's a real slimy businessman. He sucks. Vanity items, please. Yeah, no. Hold on, don't we have a goodie bag? Let's see. Let's see if we get something interesting. Goodie. No, we got no goodies tonight, lads. Anyways, let's grab out our gun and shoot him with my bullets. With my little rounds, my little 7.62, my little 308. We're gonna fight him and we're gonna kill him well. Alright, anyways. Time to kill some asses. Time to whoop ass and take names. We got a dash thing, see that? We got the quick shield of Cthulhu. From the Cthulhu fight, we're gonna be gold with that. And because we got our double jump, oh yeah, it also does that, so we can kill some other guys while doing so. Alright, this dash ability, ooh, we're gonna reel them in real quick. We're gonna reel them in. Like a slimy ball. Die! No, I don't want to go to him. Let's just turn that away from him. Hold on. Save the, I think it's the adrenaline for later. Come on, you slime man! You need to die! Take him, Undertaker. Undertaking the order. We're gonna kill him and you're gonna die. These little slimy boys will be a different sight. Well, actually, what I'm trying to say is they're gonna be a different ordeal altogether. Yeah, we killed him first go. Hey, who's this slimy lad with the glasses? Yes, Spock. What, is it like Spock from the freaking Armor 3 lads? Nah, not Armor 3 lads. Whatever that is. Spock from freaking Star Trek. Yes, and I call it Star Trek instead of Star Trek. Which, to be honest, I don't know why it's called Star Trek, because it says Star Trek in the name, but we got Spock from Star Trek. Burble? I don't know. What the hell is up with you today? Sound like the man out of Witchy Magoo. I don't know. I don't know who the f that is. I just making shiza up.
Hey guys, I'm gonna open my treasure bag.
Ooh, money. I got a slime mount. What's that? I got a slime gun. Slime hook. That's gonna be useful, actually, because I have been thinking about it for a minute. Yeah, I do kind of need a bit of a hooky boy. We've got ninja gear. Looking a little ninjery today, lads. We're being a little ninjery. We're not gonna fight him again. Maybe. But yeah, so we got slime. Slimy. Slimy. Anyways, alright, what else do we want to do in this episode? I know! We're gonna go to New Orleans! No, we're not gonna go to New Orleans. We're not gonna go to New Orleans today, lads. Maybe next time. Oh yeah, there, look, your dad. Freaking go to him, not me. You little runt. Alright. Pietro Bidolio. Alright. Be safe, Troy, needs you. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go build a house over there. Because these little pylons, they come in for different biomes, you see? And so that's gonna be useful because we need to fight. Because it would be useful to get around places, you know? Because, yeah. Alright, we're in the snow biome here. We found some things. We found this, a little build things. A heavy workbench. A little cold waters in white lands. Where are we? We're at unexplored territory in this biome. Unexplored territories, you see? That's how you know you're nowhere. Nowhere seen to the eye. We're exploring. We're going around places. We're seeing things here. Alright, we're gonna take you on a ride to round town. Holy smokily doo. What do you know? There's a place called the dungeon. What is this? What is that supposed to mean? And there's another crimson here. This is great news, people. Another crimson. Just to think, there's another place. Yeah. Let's keep it going now. The toxic downpour. Well, okay, we're in some event now. Oh yeah, this is... Come here, you little flying fish. You're gonna die. Alright, that's the end of you. Alright, you're coming to your death here. Because I have to put you down. Alright, Skyfish. Oh, Skyfin. You guys, I don't know your names. Am I supposed to know? Alright, well, we're clearing this event one fish at a time. Soon enough, we're gonna have enough fish for the meat factory. You know that meat factory I was waffling on about during the first parts of this episode. Alright, we're gonna have to turn the flat cannon on. Fire them! Bring those damn fish to the ground. Well, we're just killing these guys. Alright, you guys. These guys here, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. Yeah. I feel like I'm not being very interesting very much. Oh well. Yeah. This place here, you're gonna die. Alright, yeah, I'm not interested in doing that. And anyways, I don't feel like we're that ready for it. It's a small ice biome. That's disappointing. Oh well, we gotta go out there anyways. Toolbox. Automatically places actuators and place objects. Extendo grip. Increases block placement and tool range by 3. Good to know. These things are interesting. Anyways, we'll cut to when we're at the biome, the snow place. Alright, we're here. We're building because we need a place here. And we've just found... Oh, come on, really? Alright, well, we'll keep building regardless. Anyways, we'll just speed up the video. Alright. We are, well, done for the most part. Yeah. So we are done with our winter base. It looks it looks a bit interesting, but it's alright. Anyways, yeah. Got big house here. Houses. House. Anyways, so yeah, we're done with this. Looking pretty good. I was thinking of like some sort of extension so I can like maybe like go out here, but like I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so what kind of boss do we have it for boss progression next? Desert Scourge? There. We'll do it there. Because we can't do it there because like freaking NPCs. But yeah, so we'll go do that. We'll go do that. Oh, I forgot my wood up there. Don't make a freaking wooden hammer because I forgot my hammer. We're gonna keep that in our inventory. Ooh, good bag. Rotten eggs. Alright. Well. Wood. Alright, there you go. And now we'll go. Alright. Well, we'll head over and we'll build it because that's cool. Yeah, so monkey see, monkey do. Oh, for God's sakes. I forgot my axe at home. You know what? We'll make a different axe. How about that? We'll make a different axe. Platinum axe. That's good. Terrible. Terrible pickaxe. Not pickaxe. Axe. Alright. Start mining. Alright, speed up the video.
Such strange emotion, standing there beside it. I'm home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbye.
I think we'll just pause it there and then go to bed because I don't want to die. So yeah, tomorrow morning. Alright, morning time. Alright, well let's head over. While we do that, I'm gonna amuse you with a story. So the story is about you know, I don't know. But anyways, how's your day been going? Mine's been alright. I know this isn't something that you say at like probably like the end or the middle of the video or something like that. But no, well, we're just gonna have to make do. Anyways, we'll build.
Conversation ain't exactly where we're at. It's so strange, deciding how I feel about you. It ain't like I ain't used to going on without you. I'm home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbyes. Home, there's moonlight on the river, everybody dies. Home, with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbyes.
Alright, we're done. Well, mostly. We need to put in the campfires, and then we should be alright. But we can...
We'll leave that for next episode, but...
Yeah. I think we'll... Hold on.
I did get this, well... What the hell? What the hell is this?
Is that it into like a gamer girl?
Vanity item. A fruit that calms your nerves may have unintended effects. Oh, by the way, we found that.
Now, that, whether you believe it or not, that's
Another temple. So it's the same thing over there. Yeah, see here. That's the same thing.
got 2 temples.
Now, I heard those are quite rare. 2 of them, that's probably really rare. This is probably gamer luck at its finest. Alright. But anyways,
yeah, well, what we'll do is we'll do some extra thingies here. Get some people to move in there. We'll go fight the Desert Scourge. And we'll maybe actually what's the boss fight after the Desert Scourge? Oh yeah, we'll go fight the acid rain after Desert Scourge. Oh yeah, giant clam, we'll do that too. Acid rain, maybe Crabulon. But yeah, so once we are done with most of that,
we'll be good.
but until then,
I'll see you in the next episode. Please subscribe, like and comment because it really helps out. Bye bye.